We are here at Carrington Road, St. Philip, the scene of a fatal collision which occurred about 2:45 p.m. on today's date, Sunday, the 4th of January, 2026. This collision involved two motor cars. Now, preliminary investigations have shown that these two vehicles were traveling in opposite directions when they were involved in a collision. As a result, two occupants of one of those vehicles succumbed to injuries at the scene. Two other, two other occupants of that said vehicle were transported to the Queen Elizabeth Hospital by ambulance, where they are seeking medical attention. The driver of the other vehicle, he received minor injuries and he has elected to seek private medical attention. Investigations are continuing into this collision, and we are asking anyone who may have witnessed this collision to please contact the District C Police Station at 416 8200. As we speak, the road remains cordoned off and investigations are ongoing. So we would like the general public to avoid this area at this time. If you're traveling to St. Philip and you're in the area of Brayton, you can divert along Edgecombe Hill. If you're coming from St. Philip, the Chauffet area coming down to Six Roads, please make that diversion at Six Roads. I also like to take this time to extend condolences to the relatives and friends of the deceased. Thank you.